Now, DxO Photolab is by far the best raw processor on the market, and every year it just gets better and better. Major updates to the program are issued most every year, and continuous updates occur as new camera models hit the market. Now, when you first open Photolab, you'll notice two tabs at the top of the page, Photo Library and Customize. Now, Photo Library is pretty self-explanatory. If you look below, you see a reflection of your directory structure as you are familiar with it. There's no catalogs, there's no session, there's no importing anything. It's just very simple, straightforward, going to the hard drive that you want to use. Now, in my case, I have a hub and I have all these hard drives plugged in. I do that for a reason. I got a lot of hard drives floating around, and it's that way on purpose, so I'll plug some in that I use, more than others. So you just come in and you click on the down arrow, you open your hard drive, you navigate to a directory that you want to look at, you click on it, and lo and behold, here are the thumbnails down below. And of course, obviously, the image you've chosen in the workspace above. That's Photo Library. Now, the Customize tab is where all the heavy lifting is done in terms of what you want to do to the image. And all of the EXIF information is over here on the left. You got your histogram up here on the top. You got your zoom control here. And on the right, you have all of the image manipulation tools with the color, the brightness, the lens corrections, and so on is over here. At the top above the main workspace, you see the tools. We have the crop tool, we have the color picker, we have the level tool, we have the, let's see, what is this, force parallel for parallax distortion correction, and rectangles. And one thing about this repair tool, this is also called the spot healing brush in Photoshop, and this is actually really, really good. It works unbelievably. And why they do this, I don't know. Here's the red eye tool. I never use this. This is for local adjustments, for masking, and so on. So Photolab does it pretty much all. This is how it works. This is what I do. This is my workflow. Now, you may do something else, but this is basically what I do. Take a look at all these thumbnails down here, and I'll say, click on this one, and I love this image, and I'll give it 5 stars. But first thing I'm going to do is come up and change this to, we're going to organize everything according to file name. So as I give it 5 stars, you can see there, let's click on this one and maybe give it 5 stars. And then once I've gone through, and see, I'm just flicking the mouse here, just scanning the directory to see which images I like. See, this is one I've already processed, and the check mark there tells you it's already been converted into a TIFF. But once I've done all these selections and culling, then I come up right here, click on rank, and then everything is bunched according to the rank that I gave it, and it's all right here. So I can have them all in one place. I then go through and do the final adjustments on whatever I want to do to the image, and then I process it out for further work in Photoshop. We'll get into some details now about how to make your images look as good as they possibly can in Photolab.